In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit job preferences to your LinkedIn profile. If you want to make sure LinkedIn reflects the kind of opportunities you're interested in, updating your job preferences is a quick and useful step. This can help recruiters better understand what you're looking for and can also improve the relevance of the job suggestions you see on the platform. The good news is that the process is very simple and only takes a moment. To get started, log into LinkedIn and look at the top navigation bar on your homepage. From there, click on Jobs. This section is where LinkedIn organizes job listings, recommendations, and career-related tools, so it's the place you'll use to manage your job search settings. Once you're in the Jobs area, look over to the left-hand side of the page and click on Preferences. This is where LinkedIn stores the settings related to your job search activity and the types of roles you want to be considered for. If you've never visited this section before, it's worth taking a quick look around, since it can contain settings that influence how employers and recruiters discover your profile. Inside Preferences, click on Open to Work. This is the section where you can edit your job preferences. Here you can review and update the details that describe the kind of job opportunities you're open to. Taking a moment to keep this information current can be helpful, especially if your career goals have changed, if you're targeting a different type of role, or if you're actively searching for new opportunities. As you make edits, try to be as accurate as possible so your preferences match what you actually want. Keeping this section updated can make your LinkedIn profile more aligned with your current job search, and may help improve the quality of roles shown to you. Once you've finished reviewing and adjusting your preferences in the Open to Work section, you're all set. That's all it takes to edit your job preferences on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching, and if you're updating your profile as part of a job search, it's also a good idea to review the rest of your profile regularly so everything stays current and professional.